Toxic spirituality. This topic came out quite frequently lately on my FYP. Apparently, someone died because she followed this one spiritual influencer. Now, am I surprised when I found out about this? No. A lot of people had died for something that don't make any sense. The thing is, nobody seems to want to accept that we are all dying. Only the speed or how fast we arrive at that point is different. And some decided to reach that point on their own terms. I don't know what is the reason or logic behind the person who is said to end her life due to toxic spirituality, but I kinda get it. Once you know that you are an eternal being and there is no hell except the one you created, and when you die, it's just like waking up from your sleep, but you are back into unconditional love. So, it would sound like a good choice to end your life when you are struggling in this physical world, right? I had thought about this many times. What's the point of living while you have to get a job you don't like just so that you can eat and pay rent? I can just end my life and go straight to the vortex and get whatever I want. But you know what's stopping me? Of course, the number one thing that stopped me is my dogs. You might not have dogs. So I really want you to know the second reason why I'm still here talking to you. I learned this from Neville Goddard. If you don't overcome your challenges and transform yourself to live the life you desire now, which means you haven't learned something and expanded from this life. Thus, after you die, you will come back to a similar life. It's kind of like playing a video game. If you don't finish one level, you can't move forward to the next level. But unlike video game, the next level is actually easier because you have learned all the skills and now you have more resources. So, I ask myself, do I really want to relive this life again? Or let go of the beliefs that's stopping me from living the life I want? And here I am, still breathing. Because I don't want to start over again. I want to go to the next level. When I was in my 20s, I found this quote from Mark Twain. 20 years from now, you will be more disappointed by the things that you did not do than the ones you did. I'm 47 now, and I can tell you that this is true. Even though most of what I did for the past 20 years can be considered as failures. Although I don't regret the things I did, after I lost my job during the pandemic, I was tired and I didn't feel excited anymore to do anything. It took me 2 years to feel excited again, and I found this new quote I'm excited to follow. Life is either a daring adventure or nothing. Helen Keller. I choose daring adventure. What about you? If you choose adventure and you want to learn more about living an exciting, joyful, and fulfilled life, I'm working on an online course sharing my knowledge and experiences to help people manifest their dream life through storytelling. To know more about this and join me in this adventurous journey, click the link in my profile or the video description.